Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of resetting your Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender. Whether you're facing connectivity issues or preparing for a fresh setup, resetting is a quick and effective way to resolve common problems. Let's dive in. To reset the Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender, locate the reset button on the back. Use a paperclip to press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds. The LED lights will blink, indicating a reset. Once done, the extender will return to factory settings, and you can set it up again. Next, plug the Wi-Fi extender into a nearby electrical outlet. For optimal performance, position it halfway between your main router and the area that needs improved Wi-Fi coverage. This placement ensures better signal strength and a more stable connection throughout your home. To start the reset process, locate the reset button on your Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender. This button is typically found on the back of the device, close to the power port. It's a small, recessed button, so you'll need a paperclip or another thin object to press it effectively. After locating the reset button, use a paperclip or pen to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Ensure you keep the button pressed down throughout this period. You should notice the LED lights on the extender blinking or flashing, signaling that the reset process has started. Once you've held the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds, release it. The extender will reboot and start the reset process, which may take a minute or two. During this time, the LED lights might flicker. Once the reset is complete, the power LED will either turn solid or blink. Once the reset is complete, your Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender will revert to its original factory settings. This means all custom configurations, such as network names and passwords, will be erased, and you'll need to set it up again from scratch. After reconfiguring your extender, it's important to verify the connection. Test your devices to ensure they can connect to the extended network and check that you're receiving a strong, stable signal in the areas that need improved coverage. After reconfiguring your extender, it's important to verify the connection. Test your devices to ensure they can connect to the extended network and check that you're receiving a strong, stable signal in the areas that need improved coverage. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, our team of expert professionals is available to help you every step of the way. Don't hesitate to reach out for support or guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for immediate assistance. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.